Good morning to my class, dear students. How are you? During this vacation, I think you are all well. I am also fine. I am Mobashirina Begum, your English teacher. Today, I am giving you an online class on English first paper. Now, dear students, now let us observe a video and gaze about our today's lesson. Yes. Now look at and enjoy the video. Okay, my dear students. Now, what have you observed in the video? Yes, you have observed here different professions, different jobs or job around us. Let us see what our today's topic is. Yes, our today's topic is job around. Unit 9, Lesson 1. So, get ready with your textbook. Before starting our lesson, now let us know about the learning outcomes. After studying this topic, we will be able to ask and answer question, read and understand text through silent reading, and write a paragraph. Dear students, many of us think that we must have a steady big job to be happy in life. Is that always true? Look at the picture and discuss in pairs what you see in it. Let us be introduced with a person and his activities. Look at, he is Said Kamal. He was a desk clerk. He did not like official job. It was boring to him. He had a good salary. Yet he left the job after 2 years. Now he is the owner of a nursery. He works here as a full-time job. He spends his times planting seedlings, budding, caring plants, cleaning flowers bed, and passing time with trees. Okay, my dears, before going through the lesson, now let us be introduced with some keywords or new words. Try to answer the meaning of the word, see the pictures, check what you have told, then make a sentence with the main word. Yes, one word is here in your text, entrepreneur. meaning business person or magnate. You can make a sentence with this word in this way. Said Kamal is a successful entrepreneur. Saplings. Look at. Saplings mean little plant or seedlings. Suppose the saplings look green. Timber. Yes, you can see here. Timber means logs or wood. We can make a sentence in this way. We use timber to make furniture. Another word, countryside. Yes, you can see in the picture. This means horizon, rural area or green field. Try to make a sentence with this word. Yes, you can make a sentence in this way. I visit my countryside on Friday. Another phrase, medicinal plant. You can find this phrase in your text. Just look at. These are the medicinal plants, thankuni, aloe vera, neem and tulsi. So, medicinal plant means plant used to produce medicine. You can see an example in the sentence. We find medicine from medicinal plants. Look at another phrase, decent life. This means civilized or polite or respectful or gracious. You can see in the sentence, everyone likes to lead a decent life. Dear students, now I want you to read the text. It is about a young entrepreneur, Said Kamal. Notice what he thinks about job and happiness. Then answer the questions that follow. I am giving you 10 minutes time just to go through the passage and try to understand. I think you have already finished. Now try to answer these questions. Number 1. What is the best thing that ever happened to this man? Number 2. Why does Kamal like his job? Number 3. What is the problem with his job? Number 4. When does he earn most money? Number 5. What attitude do you find here in Kamal when you read these lines? Maybe I do not earn enough like many other people around me, but at least I earn enough for my family, employees, and me to run a decent life. Students, now look at, here is another task. Ask and answer questions about Kamal. Use the clues given. Number 1 is done for you. Suppose here is you can here's the solution of number 1. Is he married? In this way, you have to make questions using these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you have to try to answer those questions also. Now let us make the questions. Yes, I think you can easily use here who is happy or is he happy. In this way you can make the question of number 1. Number 2, you can use when does he leave home in summer. Number 3, you can make in this way. What does he plant after winter? Number 4, you can use what does he do at the weekend? And number 5, you can use what does he collect? Now come to the section D. Look at the following table. The left column shows some positive aspects of Syed Kamal's character. Add some more to the list. Also, find out some aspects of Syed that you think unacceptable and write them in the right column. Here are good aspects of Syed, that is simple, diligent, loves nature, caring, and in this way you can write or add more in this column E, F and G numbers. And there are some unacceptable aspects of Said, suppose old-fashioned, loner, and so on. In this way, you can add more in this column also. Now look at here, you can see a picture, and about this picture, you can write a paragraph on Said Kamal. Take your cues from section D. A dialogue. I must say I am a very happy man. Do you agree with Said? Write why or why not. It's also for you to solve these problems. As you are at home and as you have enough time in your hand, now I want to make you write something at home. Yes, look at. I want to give you the homework. Suppose Mr. Hassan is an educated man. He had an official job. Leaving the job, he started fish cultivating and became a successful man. Now, write an article on his life and activities in 150 words. So, dear students, do the homework carefully and practice more and more at home, as English is a subject of practice. It's not only a subject but also a language. So you can practice it more and more in your lifestyle. So bye bye. See you again. Allah Hafiz.